Here at Phillips Hot Rods and Customs, we have 9 guys working all day doing everything from mechanical repair to full restorations. We have guys using DA sanders, grinders, sandblasters, all kinds of equipment that has a high demand of air pressure. The new Scroll technology, this compressor keeps up with all of our air demands. Not only is it super quiet and the guys love it, it's the best thing I could have done for my business in a long time. I've been looking to upgrade my compressor for a few years. I did a lot of research. The price point of this for the specifications it puts out, I couldn't be happier. Its 220 3-phase wiring is really easy to install, and with its remote tank, you can mount it anywhere you want in your building. As a business owner, it's great to see my guys able to stay busy all day. No one's waiting for their turn to use the air compressor. I have guys running the bead blaster and 2 guys running DA sanders at the same time, and the air demand keeps up with everybody. Aside from the new compressor keeping up with our air demand, one of my favorite parts is how quiet it is. I can be talking to a customer about his vehicle right next to this compressor when it turns on, and it's not a problem. A shop like this is noisy enough already. The last thing my guys want to listen to is an old piston compressor clacking away in the corner. This new compressor is so quiet, you can hear the radio all day, you can hear yourselves think. To my fellow business owners, I highly recommend the new Eastwood Scroll Compressor. It's able to keep up with my shop's high air demand, keeps my employees happy, and I know my shop is running as efficient as possible.